Piecewise function, x minus 7, linear, negative 7 is horizontal, and negative 2x is linear as well. Okay, we're going to go ahead and graph these. So x minus 7, all right, without looking at the domain, my y-intercept is negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So put a dot here. The slope is 1, so it's 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1, right? Okay, so this is what my line looks like, give or take, right? Okay, the next horizontal line is negative 7. So if I'm at negative 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is my horizontal line, right? So remember, we're not paying attention to the domain restriction of the piecewise function. I'm just going to graph them so you guys see. This is another alternate way of solving it. And I'll have about 8 kids per period that will solve it with the overlapping. And then they'll get a marker, and they'll mark it with the open circle, and they'll highlight, and they get full credit. Okay, next is negative 2x. Okay, my y-intercept is 0. My slope is negative 2, so down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. And so here, okay, so here are my 3 lines. Now, if now I go back and I actually pay attention to the domain, keep going, or what do you, yeah? Are you guys okay? Yeah? Okay, so, all right, let me look at this x minus 7 one. It only exists when x is at negative 3 inclusive, so closed dot, right? So this is closed. And then to the left, so negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, right? Okay, so if I look at my graph, I'm going to move this out of the way. All right, at negative 3, 1, 2, here, let's mark it. Negative 3, right? So this is the line, right? So if I come down, it's closed. So this is closed, and this is what you should have graphed. Whoops, sorry. Right? Okay, so really none of this should exist, right? This is not part of the piecewise function, so this is all extra that I don't want to see. All right, the next one is the horizontal line negative 7 should only be graphed according to the restriction negative 3 to 4. Negative 3 doesn't have the equal to, it's exclusive, so it should be an open plot. Positive 4, it should be closed, so between negative 3 and 4, where's 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, this is my horizontal line, correct? So from negative 7, negative 3, it's open circle, 4, it's closed circle, and so this is the only part of the horizontal line, y equal negative 7, that should be graphed. Does it kind of make a little bit more sense? Okay, and then lastly, for the negative 2x, the decreasing slope, that appears at 4 and onward, but 4 should be an open plot, right? It's exclusive, right? For x is greater than 4, find 4. X is greater, what did I say, open. And so then this is my line. And so this is your piecewise function. You should only have the blue. The other extra is not part of the domain. You guys, did I just graph the other line? Oh my goodness, you guys, it's this one. Ah, I know, and it's marker. I know, I grabbed the other line. Okay, so me doing this, hello, perfect example of if you decide to graph all 3 lines and overlap. I just demonstrated for you what is a possible mistake. So make sure that when you graph them, you know what it is. I even said negative slope, and I went to the positive slope. Unacceptable, you guys. Okay, but do you see where my mistake was? Yeah. Just, so sometimes if you're going to decide to do this, sometimes maybe mark them, like this is the y equal x minus 7 line, this is the y equal negative 2x line. Some students will put markers, well, don't use markers yet because you don't know what you're writing. but label them so you know which one. So if you're gonna do all 3 graphs and you're gonna have the overlapping, and then you'll go back with a highlighter or marker, make sure you graph the lines and don't do what I just did right here. But at least I caught myself. Okay, yeah? All right, so I'll turn off the video. I'll give you guys 2 extra examples. Fair? This is not on the quiz tomorrow. Okay? It's your eyes. Add the eyes, subtract the eyes, multiply the eyes, and divide the eyes. And it's your I squared is equal to -1, right? I'll have that on there. Yeah. Okay, let me shut this up. I'm coming, Sebastian.